Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today I have a request video from my coffee page. So they asked me to make superpowers, the two superpower in this case. One is the super speed and the other one is go through walls and things like that. So yeah, so let's do that today. So let's do first the speed. So we want to be a super speed. So for doing that is almost really easy really. So the only we need to do is create a new actor. So let's go to blueprint class, get actor. Let's put here dp is set super speed blueprint, for example. So let's open this. Okay, so let's put in here, and we're gonna need only overlapping stuff. So when the character enters, they're gonna pick up this up. Okay, so let's go to sphere collision this time. So let's go sphere collision. So when we overlap this, they want to open. So let's put some kind of mesh or something like that to see what it is. Well, yeah, so let's go add, let's get static mesh. I think I don't have nothing in this project, so they're gonna use something different probably. We can use I don't know, so let's use this one. It's fine, I think it's fine. So let's just put it like this. I don't know, so they're gonna be superpower to be speed. Okay, so let's put it like this, something like that. So let's compile and save. So let's put this in here in the level. So yeah, so let's put it like that, so we know when we pick it up, so you go play. When we pick it up, we have super speed. So right now we have a collision, we know one collision in there. So let's select the static mesh, go all the way. When they say collision, it said no collision. So let's compile and save. So now if we overlapping this, we don't have collision, so I think it's better. So okay, so we want to do something here. So when we enter here, so let's delete this. So let's select the sphere, let add vent and begin overlap. When we enter, we want to do something. So we want to do it from the character, so we only need to do it once. So let's do cast to third person character. So we want to only do it once. So we can do, for example, here do once if we want it, or you don't need it if you don't want it, but for me I want to leave it like that. So when here we want to do something here. So first we want to do like superpower. We want to also change the clothing. I don't have clothing in this template, so the thing I want to do is go to mannequins, go to materials. Well, let's go to the third person character first, so it's better. So content, third person, blueprint, third person character. So let's go to mesh, and we have this. So we want to get the static skeleton mesh asset. So that means the mesh. So let's go here, let's get mesh, and here we want to change the material. So we want to change both if you want, but I only do it one, but it's gonna be the same. So it's gonna be set material, and here they ask you what element you want. So element 0, that means is this element 0, so they're gonna be this one. If it's element 1, they're gonna be this one. You can do both if you want. You can add another one if you want, or make a gear array if you want, but for me I only want to do it one. So let's get this material, so let's duplicate it, so we have another one, and let's change the color, so that way we can see we change this stuff. So I'm gonna put like, let's go like blue, because that's the color of the arrow. So let's do it like this and save. So now if we go to the super speed. So here, let's this one. So that way we have here the reference. So automatically when they go inside, they want to change the material. So we want after, for example, a delay. So we want to be like, for example, 5 seconds. We want to go back. We can copy and paste. We can go back when we have before. So we lose the superpower. They only last for 5 seconds. If you want to do it that way, see, now you can do it a different time, thing like that. You can be random if you want it. So, oh my gosh, so let's get this and paste it here. Okay, there you go. So now let's see if it's working. So let's compile, let's go play. So now if I go inside, you see it's changed the color. So after 5 seconds, we're supposed to lose our superpower. Okay, so that's working fine, but I don't want to be able to see this because we're supposed to pick it up, right? So we want to get after we pick it up. So let's move this around. So let's get the static mesh. Let's get the sphere, and we want to use destroy component. So that way we can see it. But we don't destroy the actor because we need the actor for this, right? So we only need to destroy the components right now. So let's destroy this. We go back to this one. Probably it's better to have this, oh my god, like this, so this look more clean to read it, right? So okay, so let's see it now. So let's go compile first. Let's go play. So now if I pick this, you can see that it's not there anymore. So after 5 seconds, if I want to pick it up here, we can, because we don't have anymore that sphere collision, right? So one is done, so good. So let's put it like this. Okay, so the next is go to make the speed, right? So the speed, they're gonna be from the third person character. We need to get movement, get I don't know if I can put it here. So get mass speed, no, we can't. So they're gonna be for character movement. So from here, get character movement, and from here we want to set mass speed. So right now for the effect we have the so if we go to character movement, if we go to here mass wall speed, we have 500. So we want to double it, probably, or triple. So let's go to, we don't need this anymore. So let's go here. Let's put here, like, for example, 1500. I don't know. No, it's too much. So 1500. Okay, so let's put it here. So we want exactly when we pick it up, when we change the, after we change the material. So that way we have the super clothing. So we have the superpower and destroy the fear, everything. After 5 seconds, we want to get back this to copy paste and make this again to 500. So we can just delete the one, and we need a target, so they're gonna be this target. So let's connect them here, and also let's do a reroute so they look more clean. Okay, so now we have the superpower. So, and also after all this stuff, we make all this stuff here, we want to destroy that, so that way we can use it anymore. Okay, so let's compile, save, and let's test it. So you go play. So now if I pick it up, I got more speed right now for 5 seconds. So after the 5 seconds, I lose my speed, also my rotation, so now it's normal. But I can pick any more the speed. So yeah, so this is working for the speed. So let's do now how to go through walls, but we don't want to go all the walls, because for example we don't want to go through the floor because they're gonna be messy. But so we want to be some kind of walls. So let's do that. Okay, so to doing the go through walls, We can do this from a lot of different ways. So I think the best way to do it is more easy way to do it. So let's do it like that. So let's get another blueprint because now we have super speed, we don't need anymore. So let's add a new blueprint. Oh, we have already here, so probably we can change the color also to have another dress. So let's what I did, okay, duplicate. So let's change the color. Now I want to the color be, I don't know, let's go like red probably. Yeah, let's go red. So let's go okay, so save it. Okay, so let's do the another blueprint. So in here let's get another blueprint class. Like gonna be an actor again, so let's put TP. I can put walls blueprint, you can call it like you like, or super wall or whatever. So I'm gonna put it here. So they're gonna be almost the same. So when I need a mesh or static mesh, whatever you like really. So let's go static mesh, and the static mesh gonna be what we wanted. So let's use this. That's weird, but we can use it. So let's go set our, let's wait. Okay, let's get here so that way I can do it both. 0.1 is too small, so 0.3, that's fine. So I can do it like this. And also let's add a new sphere collision. So sphere collision, they don't need to be attached, but if you want it, it's okay. For me, it's gonna be okay. So static mesh, we don't need collision again. So let's get no collision, compile, save. So now let's get the sphere, right click, go add event, and begin overlap. So we have here, we don't need nothing of this. We need the same thing. So other actor, cast to third person character, and from here we want to do the same. So get mesh, we want to set material, the material we want now is the other one, so they're supposed to be here. So let's go back, so it's that one. So select it, go back to the walls, paste it right here. And also we want to do the same, so a delay of 5 seconds again if you want to be the same. So let's go 5, it go back to copy paste to put the same, the target is the same. Let's reroute this a little bit. Okay, and the material we wanted is this, so let's paste it here. So okay, so this is working. So also we want to do the same like before. So let's destroy the static mesh and the sphere. So destroy component, we want to destroy both, go like this. So compile and save. And after all this, destroy actor. Okay, so compile, save. So let's see if it's working. So let's go play. We don't need to put it in the level first. So let's put the blueprint. So find it, put it right here. Let's put it like here. So let's go play. Now if I pick this, I have my superpower to go through walls. So but it's not working now because, well, I lose my superpower. But even if I have it, I can, because we don't have code for that. So let's do this. So let's close this. So for doing that, we're gonna need two things. We need to a variable to change the behavior or the character or the behavior of the wall we wanted, for example. So for me, it's better to do it in the character. It's more easy to understand why. So let's go to the character, third person character. Let's create a new variable. It can be a boolean. It's really easy. You put here a wall, for example. You can call it whatever you want, or power wall or something like that. I want to call it wall. So let's compile and save. So by default it's false, so we can't pass through nothing. Okay, so we want to go back to db wall. In here we can use the same reference of the character. The moment we pick it up, so we want to do something. So let's move this, and from the character reference we want to set wall. Let's put like true, and probably let's put more time because it's too slow. So they get 10 seconds now. So after everything we want to set this back to false, so we can't do anymore. Okay, so let's put it back here, and the target is the character, so probably it's better to just promote this to a variable, so that way we have a reference. So it's more clean, you know. So let's go here and just paste this guy here. That's it. Okay, so let's compile save. So now we have something they toggle true or false, right? So now let's go to create a new blueprint class. So let's create a new blueprint class. Gonna be actor 2. So let's put dp wall. Oh my god, wall blueprint. In here we can do in this a main one, so we can add it a static mesh. You can put the mesh you really want it, and also have how we can do this. Okay, let's get the add sphere or box. Probably box is better because it's a wall, so wall is normally more rectangular. So let's go box collision. So this one can be inside, but it's okay. So the static mesh is fine. So in the box we want to add event and begin overlap, so we can remove this. So in here we want to cast to third person character, and we want to check if they have it or not. So in here, so get wall, and let's do a branch here, so a question here. So also we want to do the opposite. Well, we don't really need it, the opposite now. So let's do like this. So it's overlap, let's do this. If we keep wall, if it's true, no, if it's false, we don't do it. We don't want to do nothing at all. But if it's true, we want to change the static mesh. So let's get static mesh, and let's put here set collision enable. So you want to put whatever you want. In my case, it's gonna be no collision. And well, we actually need the other one. So if we go to box, go to add event and begin overlap, we can copy this guy. So let's put it here. So let's go to the actor. So in here, if we get out to the box, we want to set this bed to what they belong before. So the one we have already is the no physical collision, so query only. So let's do that. So let's go query only, no physical collision. Okay, so that's good for have reference of this stuff. Okay, so let's compound save. So let's use it. So now we can use drag this in here. So let's put a wall in here, so we can just make this big, so that way you can test it. Let's do it more big. Yeah, that's fine. So let's do it like this, and this to here. And also we're gonna need a mesh, so we can do it inside here. So we can, if you do inside here, inside the blueprint, that's gonna be for all the blueprint in the level. If you do it in here in the detail of this blueprint, they only affect this blueprint, not the other ones. So that's good if you want to change different wall, different mesh, things like that. different behavior, thing like that, you know. So let's open this a little bit. So let's get the static mesh, and I don't know why this name for this static mesh, so I'm gonna select probably that one. So it's a cube. Okay, so I want to use a cube. So let's go here again. So go to static mesh and cube. They're gonna paste it right this guy. So we have this. So we want to move it because we want to be more clean. So let's put something like this. And also we want to the not the blueprint, the box collision. So select the box collision, not from here, from the detail, and we want to be a little more bigger than the wall. So that way we can check the behavior of the character like this. Okay, I think it's fine. So let's test it. So let's save everything, and also let's change the color we want it. So probably it's better to know what wall we can pass through. No, I don't want to use pink. So let's use, I thought that is cool, but no, I don't want to use that one. Or we can leave it like the one before. It's okay. So that way nobody know we can have that power. I don't know. So let's save this. So let's go play. So now if I don't pick nothing, I can pass through the wall. Nobody know nothing. But if I enter here, I have my superpower. So now I can go pass through this stuff. But only that kind of wall. I can't do it the other wall because it's not the same. If I lose my power, I lose to go inside. So I had to do another things to pass. So all the other thing we can get is the super speed, so we can do the same. Well, yes. So it's working. So you can implement this how you like it, really. So that's really easy to implement this. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. So if you want to support me, you can go to my Ko-fi page and you can donate for just $1 if you want, or you can be a member. You can have exclusive stuff. For example, you can download my project file from the GTA series, my inventory series, side scroller series, also this Ender Runner series. So I have a few, so you can download if you are a member. And also you can watch this video before I publish in the YouTube channel. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord page. So if you had a question or the tutorial is not working for you, or you need help in your game or in the tutorial, you can talk with me in the Discord. For me, it's more easy to respond from the Discord than respond from the comment from the YouTube. So like I always said, thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. So bye bye.